Hi, this is Dorothy Kilty, and this is a flip through of my design team project for Creating with Jovi. This is for February of 2025, and this is the Flamingo Love kit. Now, I think this is one of the most beautiful kits I've ever seen, honestly. It is, has bright, vibrant colors. For the outside of it, I used it was a bag that I ordered some of these papers from, and the bag the papers that came in was so gorgeous that I kept it. Now what I did is I just took the bag, I glued it together, and then I sewed around the edges of it to strengthen it a little bit. I maybe should have reinforced it a little bit, but I think it's fine, actually. Okay, now, you do not untie the bow to open this. You just lift it off. So you just push down and lift it off. There's a little bit of room in it to put more things in, but even so, just by pushing down, you can slip that off. Okay, now, inside, I do have some cardstock here, and I just stuck an envelope in here, so whoever gets it could just keep some memories and things in there. I like pockets on the inside of the covers. Okay, so these beautiful papers are all from the kit, and I think I've used all of it. If I've missed anything, it's just a small piece or something. This is a Z pocket, so it folds out. You can use these as tuck spots, and of course I glued it on the page in such a way that the back of it is a tuck spot, okay? A lot of writing room on this journal, and also you could glue more pockets on it if you wanted more pockets. So here I've taken a scrap from the bag and made a pocket out of it with a tag in it. This is a flip-up tag with one of the journaling cards glued on it. Okay, again, lots of writing paper. Here we have an index card for journaling just tucked into a tuck spot. Here we have a belly band with some beautiful paper and another one of these Z tags. This could be glued down here just as easily as cutting out, so that's something that whoever received this may want to do in the future. I've just tied it in the center and glued it. So here we have a pocket on the right here with a card in it. All these tuck spots and stuff can be used to put more things, memorabilia that people have. So here we have a horizontal belly band. Okay, we have another piece of this bag that's made into a corner pocket there, and more beautiful papers. This washi tape has not been happy, even though I was pretty sure I added glue to it. Let's just glue it down real quick. I had to glue this down in another place too, on another page. So, okay. There we go, that should hold it now. Here we have a ledger sheet that I just folded to make a decoration, and it's folded up for a tuck spot here. We have another belly band with some more pretty ribbon decorating it. Here we have just a piece of cardstock embellished as a pocket with one of the cards in it. See, some of these cards I printed on actual cardstock. Some of them I didn't. This is over the corner tuck spot, made out of an envelope. So it can be moved, it can be float through and be moved on either side. We have, when you lift this up, there's a little surprise underneath there. And then we have 2 tuck spots here and here. And on this side, it's just a see-through. So this way, this peeks out. It can come out and be a journaling spot. So here we have another one. This piece of cardstock was embossed, and then has a little bit of decoration on it. And then we have a journaling card. I thought it was pretty just to fold this book page over and make it be a little bit of an edge. There's still plenty of journaling spot here on it. And again, lots and lots of journaling space in this. This is a, excuse me, a peekaboo tuck spot. So I have 2 things put. So some of these things I printed smaller so that I had smaller pieces to use to decorate. This is what I call a mountain pocket. There's the mountains there, folded up. This is not glued together, so this can fold out into a hidden journaling spot, and then you put it back together, and we have lots of nice tuck spots and places for journaling cards or letters or memorabilia. Here we have the other part of the ledger, again folded to make a little bit of a design on it. And our last page, and in the back we again have a corner tuck spot here, and with an envelope inside. So now we're just going to close it up like this. Jovi, it was such a privilege to use your papers to make this journal and stuff. I really loved it and had a lot of fun creating it. If you look below, you'll see links to her Creating with Jovi Facebook page and her and the kit. And I hope that you will go visit her shop and look at some of the other lovely things she has. Thank you very much. I do appreciate you watching my channel, and I love it when you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon.